Now we are going to see missing data analysis using RStudio. Missing data is a very big problem for every data scientist. Missing data means it's a value, it is not stored in the data set. It occurs when no data value is stored for the variable in an observation. Missing data are a common occurrence and can have a significant effect on the conclusions that can be drawn from the data. The various problems are associated with missing data. The first one is the absence of data reduces the statistical power, which refers to the probability that the test will reject the null hypothesis when it is false. And also, the lost data can cause bias in the estimation of parameters. And the third problem could be it can reduce the representativeness of the sample. So it is the primary duty of every data scientist to remove the missing values or to treat the missing values with the proper statistical analysis, clean the data, and then take it for further analysis so that the data will give you the correct meaning. So now we are going to do missing value analysis in RStudio. For this I have taken the data set called air quality. This air quality dataset contains a lot of missing values. It's an inbuilt dataset available with RStudio. Since it is available inbuilt, I'm not going to call the read.csv function. So straight away I just type view option to view the air quality dataset. So for that the code goes like this. It is VIEW. V should be in capital. Then within bracket it is AARQUA air quality. Then click run. So now you can see the air quality data set. It contains 6 variables and it contains 153 observations, 153 rows like ozone, solar, wind, temperature, month and day, and 153 rows. So now if you see the line number 5, that is row number 5, the first column, you can see NA value. NA means it's a missing value. And also in this fifth row, second column also in solar R, again there is a missing value. It is denoted as NA. And line number 6 also you can find in the column 2, it is NA. And similarly in the whole data set you can find lots of missing data. Now we have to treat this missing data using the code. For this I have created a vector called air quality underscore no missing data, because I don't want to disturb the existing inbuilt data set. So I am renaming it with some other name like we do in Excel, like save as. Similarly, this vector is used as a save as. I am storing the cleaned data in some other name. So the name I have given here is, it is air quality underscore no missing data. And this code is used for deleting the missing data. There are various options available to treat the missing data. In this exercise, I am talking about deleting the missing rows, deleting the missing entire entry. So for this, the code is na.omit and then the data set name. So the keyword to delete the missing data set in the given data set is na.omit and then the data set name. Then click run. Now to view the cleaned data set, we have to type the vector name. It is air quality no missing data. Then select it, then click run. Now in the R console video, you can find the output is appearing. Just let us cross verify the output. Now you can see line number 1, 2, 3, 4 and line number 5 and 6 are missing. Let us go back to the data set. In line number 6 and line number 5, the NA values are there, and in the output, the line number 5 and 6 are deleted. The entire row is deleted. Similarly, if you scroll down, in line number 10, you can find a missing value. Here, the line number 10 is deleted in the cleaned data set. Again, line number 11 also contained one missing data. Again, that is also removed. So this is how we can delete the missing data and keep only the data which contains the entire input. Thank you.